So hello and as always, welcome back to Learning AMG. So many of you have been asking me regarding the actual iPad mini. So here we've got the actual drawings we can do as well as the pencils. So we've done a few videos. We've done videos on how to actually create a YouTube channel, then with graphics and all sorts of actual drawings. Then we've done another video of how to actually invest what you earn on YouTube. So we've done quite a bit of actual videos. So in general, we think it's great. We've also done some drawing. I'm going to try and repeat it myself, but I actually do not draw very well, but I do think that, as you can see, you can actually draw very well, and depending on the actual shades you give it. I think with the red you can really see it, that if you are very lighter with it, or if you are very depending on the pressure you apply. I mean, it's just awesome how you can see the actual difference. So in general, it's really cool. Then you've got a rubber. You've also got different colors, not just these ones, but in general, as you can see, you've got many. So for those of you who like drawing, I think it's pretty much amazing. This is the Pencil Pro with the iPad mini, okay? So if you've got any questions, as always, just leave them down here in the comments below. And me or anyone from the Learning MG team will answer as possible. And as always, thank you very much for watching.